Hi everyone. I proudly to say that we are the students of Secours Arts and Science College for Women's Wepadai. First and foremost, we would like to thank our management and our department faculty members. Today, Department of Textile and Fashion Designing are going to conducting fashion sketching workshop. This workshop has been conducted for 2 days. Workshop start with prayer and then our principal sister Dr. Margaret Dicey honor our chief guest Mr. T. Suresh with shawl and bouquet. Then our HOD Sister Suganti honor our secretary sister Purna Alfonsa with shawl and bouquet. Then our assistant professor Miss Camilla Jose honor our principal sister Dr. Margaret Dicey with shawl and bouquet. Then our resource person, Mr. T. Suresh, Assistant Professor, NIFT-T Nitvia Fashion Institute, given a small introduction about fashion sketching workshop. Then our secretary sister, Purna Alfonsa, share few words and bless our students. After that class did start, in the workshop, we learn from the basic material, what we need for learning, the fashion sketching, and we learn important tips and tricks for the bringing fashionable garment. It is very useful for our profession. Thank you for arranging this wonderful and useful workshop for our students.